Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of decimals. So subtraction of decimal number is similar to subtraction of whole number. We just need to follow the simple steps to find the subtraction, that is the difference. So first step is, if the given decimal number is not like decimals, then change them to like decimal. If the decimals are on like decimals, we have to convert them to like decimals. Second step is, write the greater number on the top and smaller one on the below of that one, so that decimal point are on the same column. Okay. Next one is, subtract the decimal number just as whole number, and the last step, in the difference you have to put the decimal point in the answer. Okay, in the difference you have to put the decimal point. Clear? Same as addition, the only difference is here you have to subtract. So first question, subtract 45.009 from 104.3. So in this way, by using the place value table, you can write the number so that decimal point lie in the same column. Okay. So the first number 104.3, to which we have to subtract 45.009. First, if we have to check that they are like or unlike. We can see that these two are unlike decimals, so we have to put 0 on the right side of another decimal number, so that we get the like decimals. Okay, so it become 104.300, and other number is 45.009. Next step, you have to subtract from right side. Okay, so from here you have to subtract. Look at here, it is from thousandth place, so it is 0 minus 9, you can subtract, so borrow from its previous digit. Again it is 0, so borrow from its previous digit. So here it is 2 left, and here it is 10. Okay, from here we have to take 1 to the next place, so here it is 9 left, and here in the thousand place it is 10. 10 minus 9, it is 1. Here 9 is left. 9 minus 0, it is 9. 2 minus 0, it is 2. Next step, move to the left side of the decimal point. Here it is 4. Here it is 4, so we can't subtract from 4, so borrow from its previous digit. In the same way, here 9 is left, and it become 14. 14 minus 5, it is 9, and here it is 9 is left, so 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, it is 5, and here it is 1, we have borrowed, so here it is 0 is left. Okay, so the difference is this one, 291. Okay, come to one more question. Subtract 243.86 from 402.10. Come to the solution. So write the bigger number on the top. So here it is 402.10, from which you have to subtract 243.86. Okay, start subtraction from right side. Here it is 0 minus 6, we can't subtract, so borrow from its previous digit. So from previous digit, that is from 10th place, we have borrowed, so this place become 10, and 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, again here 0 is left. 0 minus 8, can't subtract, so borrow from its previous digit. Okay, so here it is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. In the previous digit it is 1 is left, so again we have to borrow from its previous digit, so it become 11. 11 minus 3, it is 8, and here it is 9 is left. 9 minus 4 is 5, and in the last place it is 3 is left. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so by using the borrow concept, you have to subtract 2 decimal and more than 2 decimal by lining the decimal in a single column. Okay, come to a word problem. Tina had 20 meter and 5 centimeter long cloth. She cut 4 meter 50 centimeter long cloth for making curtain. Okay, how much cloth is left with her? We have to find that the length of the cloth remaining with her. Okay, come to the solution. First, write whatever you have given in the question. We have given that length of the cloth is 20 meter and 5 centimeter. We have to convert that to decimal, that is to meter. We know that 20 meter can be converted to same 20 meter, and 5 centimeter converted to meter means 5 divided by 1000. As we know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter, so it become 20 plus it is 0.05. okay, so it become 20.05. clear? Next come to second one. Length of the cloth for making the curtain or to make the curtain is 4 meter and 50 centimeter. In the same way, 50 centimeter converted to 0.50, so it become 4.50 meter. Clear? Next, the length of the cloth left with her is, we have to subtract total cloth to cloth used for making curtain. So 20.05 minus 4.50. okay, so 5 minus 0 it is 5. 0 minus 5 can't subtract, so borrow from its previous digit. So from here you have to borrow, so it is 1 is left, in the previous digit 9 is left, and it become 10. okay, 10 minus 5 it is 5, again 9 minus 4 it is 5, and here it is 1 is left, so it become 15.15. okay, sorry, 15.55. so the long length of remaining cloth left with Tina is 15.55 meter. okay, that's all. Thank you.